today I'm gonna make, well, it's already made, I guess, but I'm gonna put together a glasses case. And I'm gonna do this with kind of a twist. I'm gonna add some padding to the inside of this to make it real nice and safe for the glasses that'll be going in here. Something that'll, keep them dry in the summer if you're out on the lake. We'll see. So this kit is actually provided to me by Ember and Hide. They have all kinds of kits available on their website. Go check them out. They've got sunglass kits, belt kits, wallet kits. They got a lot of different kits. Get on there, check them out. They're very nice, premium quality. Okay, so if you like this little build, you could get, well, this actual kit, the case kit, on emberandhide.com. You can also get the Shearling through emberandhide.com. I mean, why would you not want to get this? I mean, this is the best case I've ever felt for glasses. Add that Shearling, oh my gosh. I'm gonna get more Shearling. There's gonna be, every project I'm gonna do is gonna have this Shearling on it. Not everything. I don't want a fuzzy wallet. But there's gonna be a lot of stuff with that in it. I really like this. So check it out.